Hi guys. At Logosol, we're very proud of our newly developed band sawmills and the engineering that's put into them. And now we're going to look at one of the features we're very pleased with having in our own band sawmill line. One of the things that we wanted to focus really hard on when we developed our own band sawmills was a very exact and sturdy blade guide alignment. And as you can see here, we have set screws on all sides on the blade guide, which makes it possible to adjust the blade guide both up and down and sideways, so you can always make the sawmill cut straight.